you guys see? These are adorable. They are so fly. I absolutely love it. Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And guys, today I am super excited because as you can see, I have a couple of boxes right here behind me. So I'm going to be sharing with you all a haul that I have from FabFitFun. So if you're interested in seeing what I've gotten, just keep watching. Okay guys, so I have my scissors here, and we're just going to go ahead and open these boxes together and see what's inside. I'm super excited. It feels like Christmas. FabFitFun is a subscription box, and you can do it monthly or you can do seasonally. And you can go on the website, look at all the different items that you like and select it, and you get a huge savings when you purchase like this as opposed to buying items individually or separately. So let's see what we have in these boxes. So this is how it looks inside. Oh, okay. So we have the box inside here, and this is the spring box of the FabFitFun. Isn't this so cute? Now it has all these little birthday cake slices on it because FabFitFun is celebrating their 10-year anniversary. Yay! Congratulations to you guys. I'm so excited for you. So with that, that's why the boxing is decorated as such. And so I think this is just adorable. So yeah, so they have some items in here. Let's get this box open and see what we have. I love celebrating birthdays. If it's mine or someone else's, I just love it. All right, there's lots and lots of goodies in here. So I think we'll start with one of the smaller items first, which is this little baggie here. So the first item we have here is this little Vince Camuto. Oh, it's a necklace. Oh yes, I remember selecting this. This is super cute. You guys know I love jewelry. I love all kinds of jewelry, costume jewelry, everything. And this one is so adorable. Look at the little charm on this one. You can see it's like blue. And it has a lighter blue down to a darker blue color, if you guys can see that. So it is so pretty. And it's just like a nice little drop. You all know I either like to have really chunky jewelry on as a statement piece, or I like to wear something that's very simple and something that's very dainty. And this is very dainty and feminine. This will be gorgeous with a really cute summer dress. We have spring and summer just around the corner. So yes, this is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And of course, it has an adjustable back and a cute little charm on it as well. So you can look pretty from the front and from the back. So that's adorable, super cute. Next, we have this sprinkles tumbler. Isn't this packaging adorable also, guys? I think this is so cute. I just love it. And I always love a really cute mug or tumbler or cup to drink from. I always like having something in my car. When I'm driving, I have my drink along with me. And this is going to be so fun for the summer. Look at how adorable it is. It matches the box. And of course it has a lid here as well. And it's just super cute. It looks like little donuts. It's just making me so happy. I absolutely love it. You guys will be seeing this mug or this tumbler in future videos. You all know how, especially when I'm doing a long haul, I'm like, get your favorite drink because we're going to be here for a while. And so I always have whatever my favorite cup is at that moment. And so this will be my new favorite because it's pink. You guys know I love pink. And it's just adorable. It's so super cute. And next we have this Necessaire, the body serum by Serum Corp. And I selected this item, guys, because right now, for me in the wintertime, my skin tends to get really dry, like super dry, especially like on my shoulders. And it's so irritating, and like literally irritating and figuratively. It's irritating to have dry skin, but it also itches, and that's irritating as well. So I selected this because this is a serum that's supposed to help with dry skin. So it says the body serum is a daily hydrating treatment for the skin. The formula features 5 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid to help prevent and replenish and dehydrate skin. So you apply all over your body, everywhere it's needed, especially in the dry areas. So I'm super excited to give this a try because, like I said, it's just been craziness. I was like, oh my goodness, my skin is so dry. And this is how the packaging looks, which is really nice. So yeah, for your body is this one. Oh, it comes in a nice little pump. Let's just go ahead and give it a try. Okay, we'll just get a little bit there and try some on our hands. Oh, this is, oh my goodness, this is like silk. I'm going to love this. And it is fragrance free. It doesn't have a scent at all, which is really nice. Oh, it says it on here too, fragrance free. So it does not have any scent, which is really nice. Although I do like fragrances, but in this case, I'm totally okay with it not having any scent. And I mean, it just feels like silk. So I cannot wait to use this on my shoulders where it is especially dry. And yeah, I'm super excited. But it feels wonderful on my hands too. Like, wow. Yes, I love it. Okay, and next, guys, in here, I did select the Beauty Sleep Overnight Lip Mask. And look at how cute this packaging is also, guys. Isn't that adorable? I hope the light's going to focus on it. There we go. It is so adorable. And you can see little birthday cakes behind it there too, and here on the side. It's so, so cute. So along with my shoulders, my lips also have been super dry and chapped, and I'm like running through, I usually use Carmex all the time, but I was like, I need something more than just a lip balm. So I wanted to get this lip mask to try out to see if that will help with my dry, chapped lips. So I'm excited to give this one a try as well. I'm just going to open it so I can see what it looks like. Okay, this is really cute. I love this lavender color. So I will definitely be giving this a try tonight. It has kind of like a coconut smell. It smells really nice. A very soft coconut smell, like not overly anything, but it smells really nice. Really nice, and yet smells yummy. So I will definitely be giving this a try. I'll let you guys know how I like it as relates to helping to heal my dry, chapped lips. So this is the Beauty Sleep Overnight Lip Mask. And next, guys, while we're talking about overnight and things like that, I did select this little lounge set. So let me open this. Let's put the box down. So this little set, oh, it's shorts. I couldn't remember if it was shorts or pants. So it is shorts, and oh my goodness, it's gonna be big. When I selected this box, I hadn't started, like, you know, you guys know at the beginning of the year I'm always on a weight loss journey, and I'm working on dropping a few pounds, which I have been. But also this year things are a little bit different, because not just am I on a weight loss journey and then halfway through the year I go back to doing all my regular bad habits. This year I am really committed to eating healthier and living a more healthy lifestyle. So we'll talk more about that in a future video. Leave me a comment down below if you want to hear about what I'm doing and how much weight I've lost already and what my goals are, etc. But so I did get this in an extra large. It is, yep, 1X size, but at least it is adjustable, so that's awesome. So that's nice. I can adjust the waist of these shorts, but these are really cute little lounge shorts here. You know, and it came with this little blouse, this little tank top. So again, it's going to be quite large on me at this point. You can see even here under my arms how much larger it's going to be. But that's okay, because I can put a tank top under the tank top and still lounge around in the house and be really cute. So, but the fabric is super soft. It is very, very soft. It's almost like a microfiber type of fabric. And inside too is, again, kind of like a microfiber type of fabric, if you can see that. But then on this side, it's a little bit more, not so much like flannel kind of, I guess, on the inside, more like microfiber here. I'm not sure, but anyway, it is really a soft material. It's really cute, and I love the color. This kind of like oatmeal color is really adorable. So yeah, this is going to be cute just to lounge around in. Super cute. I thought this was adorable. Little lounge set for around in the house. As the temperatures heat up outside, you can be cool in your house. Okay, and last in this box is some sunglasses. Oh my goodness, these are Kate Spade. You guys know I love Kate Spade. Everything. I love Kate Spade. And I do not have any Kate Spade sunglasses. And guys, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, these are fabulous. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. I am so super excited. Oh, we have to try them on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see? Can you see how cute these are? Can you see it? These are adorable. They are so fly. I absolutely love it. And also, guys, I actually just got 2 new Kate Spade handbags too. So that's another video that we'll have to talk about at another time. But I'll definitely be sharing these glasses. I'm definitely wearing these, not just for the spring. I'm going to start wearing these like today. So absolutely love it. These are gorgeous. So gorgeous. I love that they're like aviators, and that they're, to me, when the glasses have this little bar across the top, that kind of, I think of it being like a unisex style. Although I don't think my husband would wear these because he likes his glasses to be like really big on his face. But these are perfect for my face. So they kind of have a masculine feel with the bar. But I mean, they're absolutely, totally feminine, absolutely gorgeous. I love that the tint on them are not super dark, but you know, given enough. Yes, guys. Yes, I'm loving it. These are adorable. They're so cute. So cute. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to go out and like stunt in my glasses. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. I absolutely love them. So pretty. They have gold. They're just gold everywhere. The whole frame is gold. Everything. So pretty. And so Kenya, I just love it. I absolutely love it. And it has Kate Spade engraved on the side here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But anyway, so yeah. So cute. So cute. Love it. So, okay guys, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. I have to say, I have enjoyed doing this video. There are so many super cute items in this FabFitFun box for their 10th anniversary, guys. And they're offering an introductory price. So normally the box for the seasonal box is $59.99. And if you want to do the monthly subscription, it is $54.99. But if you use my discount, which I will have linked in the description box down below, then you can get your first month's box for $47.99. So that's a huge savings. And for those Kate Spade shades alone, guys, that's probably at least the cost of the entire box. They're so cute, so adorable. I absolutely love them. So again, if you guys are interested in this box or this subscription box, then be sure to check my description box down below for details and a discount code. let me say a huge thank you so much for FabFitFun for sending me out this package. I am super excited about all the items. I will definitely be enjoying them. So, okay guys, again, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. And of course, I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.